Hello everyone and welcome to Yoga with Rachel. I am Rachel. I reside in Waterloo, Ontario. Many of you may be thinking, where on earth is that? Well, it is roughly an hour away from Toronto. Besides being a yoga instructor, I am also a classroom teacher. I have a beautiful cat and her name is Angel. She has been in my life for about 11 years now. So my yogic journey started approximately 3 years ago. At this time, I was suffering from some major and chronic neck and shoulder tension. Let's just put it this way, it was not going away. So I decided to give yoga a try to see if it could alleviate some of my symptoms. As a beginner to yoga, I was so nervous to go to a public yoga class. I was afraid that I wouldn't be able to keep up with the pace of the class or even do some of the postures. I also had this fear that I would be judged for my lack of experience, so I decided to practice yoga at home. I felt safe and comfortable doing yoga in my own space. I was able to go at my own pace and modify the poses as needed. I feel that an at-home yoga practice encourages you to really focus on your inward journey, as you are less likely to compare yourself to others or worry about whether or not you are doing something right. An at-home practice offers a sense of empowerment to explore and investigate you. I know that may sound funny, but I truly believe that this is the case. I feel that when we practice yoga in the comfort of our homes, then we are more willing to take risks, try something new, explore using props even when we don't think we need them, get creative, or even playful on our mats, laugh out loud, fall, make mistakes, or even fail. By doing so, you are actually investigating yourself. You are figuring out what makes your body feel good, what makes you laugh, what makes you feel strong, what may be a trigger for you, what makes you feel vulnerable, and so on. And by exploring the what, we may also discover the why. It is important to acknowledge that each of us will have a different experience on our mats, and therefore, unique explorations. Nonetheless, know that you are not alone in your journey. And of course, a few added bonuses of an at-home practice includes convenience, wearing ultra comfy clothes, and letting your hair down, especially when you are having a crazy hair day. All right, friends, so this is exactly what our at-home yoga practice is all about. Explorations that lead to new discoveries or even rediscoveries about oneself. From our yoga classes together, you can expect a safe, welcoming, and inclusive environment for all. You can also expect some creative and playful movements on the mat. You can expect to try something new or perhaps even take a risk. And lastly, to learn how to cultivate compassion and perhaps even love towards yourself, others, and the world. So here is what else you can expect. You can expect laughter, words of encouragement, resiliency and strength training, because who doesn't love that, right? Movements that suit your individual goals as well as needs, open and ongoing communication, and of course, fun. Please know that I will be there for you, with you, every step of the way in your journey. Even if you are just looking to become more energized, build more strength, increase your flexibility, improve your joint health, range of motion, mobility, even if you're just looking to lose weight, or even to deepen your current yoga practice, look no further, because Yoga with Rachel is for you. So what do you say? Are you ready? just had a flashback to SpongeBob. Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. I can't hear you. Well, anyways, I know you are ready. Let's embark on this journey together. I cannot wait to see you on the mat. Take good care, my friends. Bye for now.